one day one student said that, sir, the tasks which you give us, like the habits and working on your vocabulary and working on your communication and working on your audiobooks and working on your reading skills, it's very boring. It's very boring. Sir, I don't like to be disciplined. I like freedom. I like to do what I feel like. I don't want anyone to tell me what to do. I just want to be free. I just want to have that freedom. And I told him that you make a choice. If you think that discipline is painful, discipline is boring, discipline hurts, then don't do it. Try with failure. What happens? Failure is more painful. Failure is more tough. Failure is more painful than the discipline. Now you have to make a choice whether you want to go with discipline or you have to go with failure. You can choose. Discipline weighs ounces. Failure weighs pounds, tons. You have to decide, I told him. If you don't want to work on your English communication, if you don't want to work on your vocabulary, you make a choice. You make a choice. Don't do it. But tomorrow, you have to pay the price of failure. And that price will be poverty, poor job satisfaction, no responsibilities, no growth in your career, no respect. You will be part of the crowd. Dear friends, you make a choice whether you want a disciplined life or you want a failure, compromised life. It's entirely your choice. Make a choice. Life is about making choices every day. Every day we make a choice, and every day we choose a future. Our choices make our future, nothing else. Thank you.